Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas. And if you know from my videos, the previous video was actually showing you the kitchen in the current state and all the things that I wanted to do to the kitchen. Today is the day of transformation. So as you can see, I have literally emptied out everything in the kitchen. And I've taken all of the drawers out of the kitchen ready for preparation, and everything out of the cupboards, the bottom anyway, not the top because that doesn't need to happen, but all the bottom cupboards have been cleaned and emptied. And yeah, so I'm ready for when work commences to lift off the old worktops and also to take out the tiles, ready for the new worktops and ready for the splashbacks. Also, the sink will have to come out because I have the new ceramic undermount sink, and please check out the video before this because that shows you all of the new things that are coming in, and it also explains what is going to be getting done to the kitchen as well. So if you're thinking about having your kitchen done or worktops, this probably might be a good video for you to watch in preparation and what to expect. So these are my old worktops. They're made of wood and they're in a kind of, I don't know what kind of design you would call it. It almost looks like a granite design, but it's obviously made of wood. And it's in a beigey colour, and it doesn't really go with anything in the kitchen. I obviously wanted mine to be a nice light Carrara quartz, and that's the quartz that I've chosen for my worktops. And yes, so I can't wait to show you. And obviously in this picture you can see that work has commenced, and here we go, tiles have come off, worktops have been lifted, sink has been removed, and yeah, so, and all of the tiles that I told you against the windowsill has also been removed because I'm going to replace that as well with the quartz. And yeah, so it's a messy procedure, but work is definitely commencing and on the way, and it's all exciting. You can see that the work top at the moment. And I just want to show you the updates of the kitchen that I'm really happy with. So as you can see, this is the lovely quartz worktop that I selected. I'm really happy. It's even better now that it's in the kitchen than it was in the sample. So the ceramic sink that was in this box is now the undermount sink. It's been put in, and I'm really happy with the way that that looks. And then obviously I told you that the draining board the draining rack, shall I say, for the dishes is in with the quartz. So I really like that as well. And yeah, so today is just putting in the worktops and obviously taking out all of the tiles and everything, so a bit dodgy with all the electrical works. And yeah, so what needs to be done now is obviously we're going to be needing some splashbacks on here, also all round here and over here, and then we're going to be doing this as well in the quartz as well. A lot nicer, a lot tidier, a lot brighter in here, as it already does even with the brick wall there. Yes, I'm really happy so far, and also when the taps go in as well. So just the updates yeah, at the moment. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so work has commenced again. As you can see, loads of tools. Now we can say that finally we have the splashbacks which have been placed in. I really like that, and don't worry about those pipes over there. They are going to be boxed in as well with the splashbacks, so I can't wait. Just make everything look neat. Here we go. Here's a picture of what it looks like. Okay, so there's been a change of plan with the kitchen taps. Obviously, the taps that I showed you in the previous video are not going to be going into the kitchen, and the reason why is because unknown to me, any of these kind of taps that do the spray motion, you do need a filter. If you are unaware, then obviously it's a lesson for you as well, something to think about. You will need to buy a filter, a water filter, to obviously work it, and I don't have a filter, and I'm not in the situation right now. I just don't want to get a filter, so I've opted to return the taps, and obviously I haven't used them, so I obviously returned the taps, and I decided to get something similar. It's obviously not the one that I originally wanted, but it's similar and I don't really mind. I really like the one that I've got now, and it's this one. And it's just a normal tap. It's obviously in the nice gold color that I wanted, and it just does the hot and cold, and it's got the hot and cold on the side there, you can see. And it's just got the little pipes here again for the hot and cold. So it's a very simple installation, and yeah, this is the one that I'm going for, and this is literally going to be on the side. I think that's what he said, because according to where the pipes are situated underneath the sink, because obviously I've got a ceramic sink and they've had to put some kind of construction there to hold, to support that sink, because they're very, very heavy. So the situation with the piping underneath makes that I have to have this now on the side, which I'm not too mad about actually. And I'll just show you what that looks like. And then here I got this new bin, and it is a what do they call those, sensor bins? So they can see here we've got the, don't want to see my rubbish, let's close it. But yeah, you see how that works. It's like a sensor, and then it closes, and then it's got the switch at the back, and it just works with batteries. And I just thought that was an added touch to do in the kitchen. But yeah, I've got it in the nice white colour just to brighten everything. So to end the kitchen, I am waiting for one big massive surprise, which I'm very excited for this video to show you. This is the space that I used to use for my dining area. As you remember, I did put a light in here to have hanging over the table. I've changed it now to like a gold light that I got from Amazon. And I'm now waiting for my lovely farmhouse solid wood table to arrive, with 2 benches that go right underneath neatly to tuck it away. I cannot wait. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm going to stay here enjoying my benches and table. I'm going to just sit here, have a lovely cup of tea and admire the new kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed it. Yeah, please come back and for some more fabulous ideas. I love sharing ideas with you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.